Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore eSign workflows with DocuSign, complete guide step by step clearly. To restore eSign workflows with DocuSign, begin by logging into your DocuSign account. Navigate to the Manage tab on your dashboard. Locate the expired or voided envelope section. Click on the envelope you wish to restore. Review the details to ensure this is the correct document. Select the Actions drop-down menu at the top right corner of the envelope. Choose the option labeled Resend to send it back out to the recipients. If necessary, update any recipient information or message in the provided fields. Once you've made any changes, confirm your settings. Click on the Send button to resend the envelope. To restore a completed envelope, go to the Completed Envelope section. Find the envelope you want to copy for future use. Select the envelope and open its details. Use this template option to create a new envelope based on the completed one. Customize any details or add new recipients as needed. Review the document and ensure everything is accurate. Click Send to finalize the new envelope. If you have any envelopes stuck in pending status, locate them in the In Progress section. Select the envelope and click on Actions. Choose Cancel if you want to remove the envelope. Then create a new envelope using the Create button on your dashboard. Whichever method you choose, keep your workflows organized for better tracking. On the DocuSign dashboard, monitor the status of your envelopes to ensure all actions are completed successfully. Regularly check the notification settings to stay updated on document statuses. Familiarize yourself with the reporting features for enhanced workflow management. By following these steps, you can effectively restore eSign workflows with DocuSign and maintain a streamlined process. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.